Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves among pet owners, the Bissell PowerClean FurFinder Corded Stick Vacuum. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Bissell PowerClean FurFinder? This corded stick vacuum is designed specifically for homes with pets, equipped with powerful suction capabilities and a sealed filtration system to tackle pet hair and dander. It's a lightweight, easy-to-maneuver vacuum that can make your cleaning routine not just simpler, but also more efficient. Let's start with some of its standout features. First and foremost, this vacuum boasts a tangle-free brush roll. This innovative feature is particularly useful for pet owners, as it picks up hair up to 8 inches long without getting tangled. This means you can spend less time detangling the brush and more time cleaning your home. Additionally, the FurFinder is equipped with bright headlights that illuminate hidden messes on your floors, allowing you to see up to 8 times more pet fur and debris that you might otherwise miss. This is especially handy in dimly lit areas or under furniture where pet hair tends to accumulate. Another important feature is the extra-long 30-foot power cord, which gives you the freedom to clean multiple rooms without constantly switching outlets. This extended reach is a game-changer for those larger spaces where you don't want to be tethered to a single spot. Moreover, the vacuum comes with a HEPA-sealed filtration system that captures and holds 99.97% of dust and dander allergens from the air you breathe. If you or anyone in your household suffers from allergies, this feature can significantly improve your indoor air quality, making your home a healthier place for everyone. Now, let's talk about who this vacuum is suitable for. If you're a pet owner, this vacuum is practically a must-have. It's perfect for those who have multiple pets or for anyone who struggles with shedding, as it's designed to handle the unique challenges that come with cleaning up after furry friends. But even if you don't have pets, the powerful suction and filtration capabilities make it a great option for anyone looking to keep their home clean and allergen-free. In practical use, this vacuum shines in various scenarios. If you have a busy household with kids and pets, you'll appreciate how quickly it can pick up messes, whether it's spilled snacks or pet hair on the carpet. The lightweight design also means you can easily carry it up and down stairs, and the self-standing feature allows for convenient storage without taking up too much space. Additionally, the bright headlights are particularly useful for cleaning under furniture, where dust bunnies and hidden pet hair often lurk. You'll be amazed at how much more you can find and clean in those overlooked spots. In conclusion, the Bissell PowerClean FurFinder Corded Stick Vacuum stands out as a robust solution for tackling pet hair and allergens in your home. With its tangle-free brush roll, HEPA filtration system, and extra-long power cord, it's designed to make your cleaning tasks more efficient and effective. Whether you have pets or simply want to maintain a clean living space, this vacuum is worth